Hey guys, welcome back to our next video. In this video, we are going to explore a little bit about ephemeral storage. Now, we have discussed enough about the theory architecture in terms of ephemeral storage. Let's just see in action about the ephemeral storage. Now, do remember that the moment I'm going to run the Docker container right now, it's going to create an environment for me to interact with, because I'm going to use the command -it. So for example, I'm running a command with docker run with it. It is basically interactive. Why? Because I stands for creating a standard input, and T stands for creating a TTY session. So both combine to make an interactive session for us to type in into with -name example 1. Now, I don't really have to give a name, because by default, Docker is going to create a random name assigned for your particular Docker template. So if it's some name of which you like, it will be much easier for you to delete this Docker image. So you can also use -rm in terms of remove the image after you execute. So you can use that option, but then there is no other way of interacting with the Docker except for this method. So I'm just going to use CentOS operating system over here. So I'm in the CentOS operating system right now, and if I'm going to create a file in OPD file 1, I'll be able to create the file in OPD folder. But then the problem is, like, the moment I exit this image, it's going to exit the Docker image, and it's going to get this Docker image stop. Like, for example, Docker ps-a, you can see that this particular program has exited 5 seconds ago. So which it means that what it's saying is that the program is exited, and there is no way that we can interact with this program or the container anymore. And at the moment you stop it, this particular file would have been gone. There is no way that we can retrieve the content on this file. So if you're trying to create files which is very important for you, then you have to do it on the peripheral storage. You have to do it on a persistent storage rather than the temporary storage which we have working with right now. So just to get this session stopped, you can use docker rm, and then you can give the example 1 over there, and then this should remove your image. Now, if you just try to recreate that image, it's going to be a complete new image. And even if it's going to be on the same name, you're not going to find any file like file 1 in OPD folder, because it's completely new image. So you can remove this example and then prepare for the next training. Thanks again for watching this. I'll see you on the next one.